I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Disney Plus subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Disney Plus website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Account section, find the Subscriptions area where you can view your current plan and payment details. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancellation, look for a confirmation email from Disney Plus to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.